Thank you, Mr. Chair. Our first speaker is Tova Ringland, to be followed by Sharon Hudson.
My name's Tova, and I'm speaking as a special needs mom. 4 years ago, I never imagined that I would attend a school board meeting or ever talk publicly about my children's experiences. Our family had multiple issues with our children's special education services, but I did not speak publicly and tried to work on these issues with the county. One thing that led to problems was that special education administrators do not regularly attend IEP meetings. This often led to a lack of consistency, no matter where we were in the county. Instead, special education staff attempted to not only be teachers, but also address issues with complex children like my own. Some of my children's teachers went to administrators to seek out answers, like when we debated whether students could receive ESY services for behavior during one of my children's IEPs. Sadly, some teachers did not seek answers and made huge mistakes, like when the team decided to remove a behavior intervention plan in October, only to regret it in November. I found that we would meet as an IEP team, and teachers and staff would work hard, but had to later involve special education administrators when my children were in crisis. As behavior intensified, program specialists were involved. These people were not there to support classrooms regularly because they work in multiple schools. This entire process delayed getting help in a timely manner. It took me years until I learned to request
30
a
seconds.
special education administrator attend meetings for my children to receive the services that they needed. If the county had these administrators lead IEP meetings, students with IEPs would benefit, and there would be fewer advocates and lawyers involved. Thank you.